Let's go on the record, please. This is cause number 2018 CR 7410, the state of Texas versus Martin Aranda. Attorneys, please make your announcements for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Joshua Luke Sandoval for the state of Texas.
Judge Derek Amos from Martin Aranda.
And Miguel Nájera for Mr. Aranda.
David, could you hear them pretty good?
It's a little tough.
Oh, they're wearing their mask. That's why.
Get closer, Judge.
Yeah, you can even pick up the mic. If you want to keep your mask on, it's up to you. If you just pick up the mic. Okay, so let's state your names again just to make sure David can hear you.
Derek Amos from Martin Aranda.
Miguel Nájera for the defense.
Okay, and for purposes of the record, Mr. Aranda is also present in person. We are here for sentencing. For purposes of the record, Mr. Aranda entered a plea of no contest to count 4, and we proceeded on the lesser included of indecency with a child by contact. That's a second-degree felony. And that's pursuant to the Texas Penal Code 22.011 A1C. At that time, Mr. Aranda, I did find that the evidence was sufficient to substantiate your guilt. We reset to today for sentencing. Is there any legal reason why we shouldn't proceed to sentencing this morning?
There is no legal reason.
Very well. Having found the evidence is sufficient, I do find you guilty of the offense of indecency with a child by contact, and I will sentence you to 5 years confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, the Institutional Division. There is a $1,500 fine. Chapter 62 compliance is required under the law, Mr. Aranda. You are to have no contact with Mia Harrison and the complaining witness, Erica Gonzalez.
May I address the fine real quick? I did
Yes.
talk to Mr. Sandoval this morning, and we're asking the court to consider waiving the $1,500 fine. He has no objections to that. That's my understanding.
That is correct, Judge.
I may or may not make a difference, Judge, if it comes out in court, but that's the reason why we're asking.
All right, I will fully probate the $1,500 fine.
Thank you, Judge.
The trial court certification is going to be on the back screen. Mr. Aranda, this is a plea bargain case. I followed your plea bargain agreement, so you do not have a right to appeal. Do you understand? I'm going to remand you to the custody of the sheriff to begin your sentence today. Thank you. I'm sorry, I apologize. Is there any victim impact statement?
No, Your Honor, there is not.
Okay, thank you.
We have